Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recent, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the button or pen obviously, from the bottom to the center and hold your finger or pen somewhere here. So something like that. And after releasing, here we've got the recents. So of course, if you wish, you can turn them off manually one by one just by swiping them up, something like that. But let's be honest, if you've got a lot of apps opened, it is much more convenient to remove all of them with only one click. That's why we've got this clear all in the left lower corner. So just tap on it. Now we just go back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.